Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR tamper box. Nice that they actually put protection on the outside of the box. I don't have to worry about this thing coming with the corners dinged up. Oh well, and we got more protection on the inside. Okay. So we have a removable knock box. That's going to be where we put our used coffee grains. It has what feels like a nice soft silicone pad on here. So that's going to be the surface that we hit our portafilter on. And we have some line-up pins on the bottom, so that is going to line up with these holes on the box. And this is a fairly heavy box. So this does not feel hollow at all. This feels very solid. We can say there are a couple different grains here in the wood, so we know that this is made up of a couple of pieces. But it feels like a couple of solid pieces. So it looks like they just took a piece of wood and then drilled this hole out. So this is our portafilter slot. We do have a rubber pad here on the bottom. We've got a ring here. Yes, so this ring is going to be for if you have a larger size portafilter. So this is about 60 millimeters across, and this one is about 70. We got a couple spots here for our tamper and our distributor, and we got a bunch of slots right here for our accessories. So I really like the feel of this. You can just barely feel the grain. It feels like a very well sanded piece of wood. And on the bottom, they did put rubber pads there as feet. So it does appear that this is only going to go one way. So I believe we're going to have this guy sitting mostly like this. It does appear that this is adjustable, so that can accommodate different sizes of portafilters. That is very good. It looks like I have to work on my extraction. Might be better if we flip it around like this. Yeah, that would probably be better. But yeah, that is a very nice tamping station.